In an eco-conscious world, more people are getting back to their roots to plant home gardens and food for a happier and healthier lifestyle.
My name is Muriel Olivares, and I started this company, Little River Cooperative, with my business partner Tiffany about 7 years ago. It started off more as an urban farm, but now it's become more of an educational organization. 2 years ago, we started an incubator program here on this property. And the incubator program was born out of wanting to create new farmers in our community and kind of be the next generation. An operation like this is a ton of work, way more work than we ever want it to be. So the dream is always, every year, we're like, should we buy a new tool to help make things a little more efficient?
If anyone knows tools, it's the folks over at Earthquake. They've been shaking up the garden game for over 60 years.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome.
Hey, I'm Travis.
Travis, Muriel.
Britta,
Hi,
nice
Britta.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys too. Have you gotten a chance to look around yet?
We have not.
Cool. Well, I'm going to show you around. There's like so much to do here all the time, but we got to start somewhere, you know?
Absolutely. At Earthquake, we live an outdoor rural lifestyle, so we build products that we use, and that people that are going to be outdoors and want to produce food for their families and gardens, that's what we do.
We provide power equipment from anywhere from the beginner level up to your contractor level. And it's easy to use, they're durable, they're compact, and we really accommodate to everybody's needs with our products. So you have a lot going on here, so we brought some toys here for you to play with.
Cool.
This is our Victory rear tine tiller. This thing is a beast and will tear through anything that you need it to.
It looks great.
We also brought this earth auger for you, and it can be run by one person or two people doing it together, so it's really versatile in that. And then we also brought you the chipper shredder for your palm fronds and different aspects from the garden. You can shred it, make that mulch that goes right back into the garden and gives it some extra nutrients.
Cool.
Well, where would you like to get started?
Today we're planting a whole new set of crops, and so it'd be great if we could start with a tiller, prepare some beds.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
All right, working this rear tine tiller is really simple. She should be primed and ready to go.
That was amazing. It's super efficient, and the tires are great. It leaves behind like a really nice finished soil surface.
Yeah, it is not intimidating at all for a nice big piece of machinery.
Yeah, not at all.
What should we tackle next?
I think we're ready for the wood chipper. We've got all this stuff to clean up over there, so let's go try that.
Perfect. I am super excited for you to see this in action. This thing is a beast. We've got our cone here. It's got a 3-inch max, so any of your larger items are going to go through this. And then up on top, the hopper is for shredding. It's all going to come out over here on the side. We could put the bag on it, or you can just chip it right into the pile that you got started.
I can't believe it can handle such big branches like that.
Yeah, this thing's got a lot of power to it.
Yeah,
so.
it's amazing. So small and compact, but really, really powerful. And the quality of the mulch is amazing. It's really fine and consistent. It'll break down really nice.
Absolutely. Well, I think all that leaves for us is that dually earth auger. So should we go drill some holes?
Let's drill some holes.
Awesome. After you. Well, the last item we brought for you here today is our 52cc dually. A lot of homeowners, hobby farm people, they're putting in a lot of fence posts, they're putting in decking, right? So this is very versatile of what you can use it for. Yeah, I think this is going to stay put for right now, and we'll finish it up later.
Okay.
But I will say this, having just a blank pole sitting here doesn't make a lot of sense. So, given how gracious you were to have us here, we thought that we would give you a little gift here.
Oh, really? Oh my God, what is this?
Again, as a thank you for letting us be a part of this. We love what you do, we love what you're about, and so here's just another little gift from us that you can enjoy.
I love them. Thank you.
Absolutely.
It's so sweet. So it's been really fun to find out about Earthquake tools and to see that there's somebody out there who's making small scale tools that are really great for a small urban farm. And they're gonna make our job so much easier, and they're gonna help our plants grow and our community grow.